Last time we practiced about Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti is a first case used when we are using a word as a subject. Ramaha Vidyalayam Gacchati. So Ramaha is subject, the master of the whole sentence, who is doing the action. So Ramaha. Balaha Bhojanam Khadati. The boy is eating food. So here the boy is the subject, so we use balah. Then dvitiya, in English the terminology is accusative, but the simple meaning is when we use a word as an object. Balah, balo, balah, that is prathama vibhakti, first case. Dvitiya vibhakti is balam, balo, balan. Rameshah balam pashyati. What will be the meaning of this sentence?
Ramesh sees the boy.
Boy. Ramesha sees the boy. So the boy is object of Rama's seeing. So because of that, we put Dvitiya Vibhakti second case in Bala. Now come to the Tritiya Vibhakti. Anyone will explain me what is Tritiya Vibhakti?
Yeah, by which, like instrument, you said.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
please.
So it's basically, as they said, it's with or through or by.
Yeah. And when you are using a word as an instrument or tool, you have to put Tritiya Vibhakti. Balena balabhyam baleihi pena hastabhyam hasteihi. Aham hastena khadami.
I'm eating with hand.
Yeah, I am eating with hand. Good. So now come to the, today we'll learn about the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Chaturthi Vibhakti is about, there are two basic rules for Chaturthi Vibhakti. The first one is when there is an act of giving, the receiver should be in fourth case. Remember, wherever there is an act of giving, there will be two people. One is giver, one is receiver. So we put fourth Vibhakti in receiver, not in giver. Remember, like Pita Putraya Phalam Dadati. Father gives fruit to the son. So here receiver is son. So you have to put Chaturthi Vibhakti in son. So how to use it? Putraya, Putrabhyam, Putrebhyah. So other example, Deepakaha, name of a person. Deepakaha, Ramayai. Rama is a feminine word. Ramayai, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Deepakaha Ramayai Pustakam Dadati. What will be the meaning of this sentence? Anyone?
Deepak gave book to Lata.
Yeah, Deepak gives a book to Lata. So because receiver is Lata or Rama, so Rama is in fourth case. Deepakaha Ramayai. Other aspect of fourth case is whatever we do, there is a purpose behind it. Take an example. I go to office. Someone may ask, why are you going to office? So whatever your answer, that is your purpose. I go to office for work, to work, for money, anything in your mind. So that is the purpose or goal. So that goal should be in fourth case. Suppose I go to office for work. So for work, how to make a sentence for work?
Aham
Yeah.
Karyalaye.
Karyalayam
Karyalayam.
Gacchami. Kimartham? Why? Karyaya. Karyaya. Good, good. Aham Karyalayam Gacchami Karyaya. Okay. You go to a store for what? Suppose you go to a store for fruit. So how to make sentence?
Aham dukanam.
No, apanam. So store means apanam.
Aham apanam falaya
Gachami.
agachami.
Very good. Shobhana. So the dog is running for for food.
Dog is kukkutah, no? No.
Shunakaha.
Shunakah. Shunakah khat
Bhojanaya.
bhajanaya. What will be running?
Dhavati.
Bhavati.
Oh, dhavati. Okay,
Yeah.
Shunakah bhojanam dhavati.
Yeah. Shunakaha bhojanaya dhavati.
Shunakah bhojanaya dhavati. Okay.
Okay. Good. Good. So today we learned Shmad. The name of the word is Yushmad.
Yeah, Jushmat, yes.
Yeah. So Yushmad means root word addressing you. So in English, when you say you, in Sanskrit, the root word is Yushmad. Prathama vibhakti will be Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Practice with me.
Tvam.
Yuvam.
Tvam.
Yuyam.
Yuyam.
So Tvam means you and Yuvam means
You too.
You
you
too,
too.
and Yuyam means
Yuyam
all
means
together.
you are.
You are.
Okay. Okay. I. So the root word is called Asmad. Yeah, Asmad, you know. So the first case is Aham, Avam, Vayam. Can you repeat?
Aham.
Avam,
Vayam.
Vayam.
So Aham means
Me.
I, Avam,
We do.
we
Two.
do,
Do.
and Vayam, we
all.
are.
We are.
We
Okay.
all.
So now practice Dutiya Vibhakti. Read it.
Tvam, Yuvam,
Yuvam,
Yushman.
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 Good. Tvam, Yuvam,
Yuvam,
Yushman.
Yushman.
Yuvam means to you, Yuvam to both of you, Yushman to all of you
All of you.
as object. And Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tvaya,
Tvaya. Yuvabhyam.
Yuvabhyam,
Yushmabhyam.
Yushmabhi.
Mami.
Tvaya.
Toya.
Good. Okay,
Yuvyam,
follow me. Say Tvaya,
Tvaya,
Yam.
Yuvabhyam,
Yuvyam,
Yam.
Yushmabhihi.
Yushmabhi.
Yushmabhihi.
Tvaya, by
Tvaya.
you. It means by you or with you or through you. Yuvabhyam, by
By two of you.
two of you or by or through both of you or with both of you. Yushmabhihi.
By all of you.
By all of you or through all of you or with all of you. Chaturthi. Tubhyam,
Tuvyam,
Yuvyam,
Yuvyam,
Yushmabhyam.
Yushmabhyam.
Okay. So again, go with me slowly. Say Tubhyam,
Tubhyam.
Yam.
Yuvabhyam,
Yuvyam,
Yam.
Yushmabhyam.
Yushmabhyam.
Bham.
Tubhyam for you, Yuvabhyam for both of you, Yushmabhyam for all of you. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now Aham. Second case. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Mam, Avam, Asman. Repeat, repeat.
Mam. Avam.
Avam,
Asman.
Asman.
So Ma means to me and Avam
To both of
To
us.
both of
to both of us and Asman
Asman to all of us.
to all
to
of
all of
us.
us. Okay, good. Maya, Avabhyam, Asmabhihi. Tritiya Vibhakti.
Maya.
Maya, Avavyam, Asmabhihi.
With me,
Oh, with me.
Maya is with me or by me. Avabhyam
By us,
us.
by you,
By
by
two of
both of us or with both of us. And Asmabhihi
by both of us.
By all of
with
by all of us
All of
or
us.
with all of us or through all of us.
Hmm.
Okay. So now come to fourth case. Mahyam. Oh, repeat with me. Say Mahyam,
Mahyam,
Yam.
Avabhyam,
Avavyam,
Bham.
Asmabhyam.
Asmabhyam.
Bham.
So Mahyam, Avabhyam, Asmabhyam. Again repeat.
Mahyam,
Mayam. Asmabham.
Bhyam.
Asmabhyam.
So Mahyam means for me, Avabhyam,
For two, both of us.
For both of us.
of us, and Asmabhyam for
For all of
All
us.
of us.
all of us. Okay, good, good. Now we will learn
Dhatu Rupa, the forms of verb.
The root word of verbs are called dhatu. What is called?
Dhatu.
Dhatu.
So root word, if you don't understand what is root word, you can understand like a seed. A seed cannot be used as a plant or a tree or a branch or leaves. But seed has all the potential to make a big tree, all the fruits, flowers, branches, everything is there in that seed as potential. So dhatu is the seed of the whole bunch of thousands of words. So you can make thousands of words from single word, that is called dhatu. So dhatu basically origin of all the verbs. So then we are coming to understand the dhatu rupa. The dhatu rupa means when you are using a particular root word as a verb in a part of a sentence, then you have to put some permissions. And there are 10 types of tenses. Although in English, whatever we say tense, in Sanskrit it's not equal to that. But for a general information, you can understand tense. So they called it lakara. The first lakara is lat lakara. Loosely translation is present tense. Okay? Lat lakar means present tense. So we need to understand the suffixes. So it is lat lakar, present tense. Again, it will be divided as a singular number, dual number, and
multiple
plural number. And also, it will be divided as first person, second person, and third person. First person is me, I, we both, we all. And second person is you, you both, you all. And third person is rest of the world. So in Sanskrit, first person is aham. Repeat with me. Say aham,
Aham,
avam,
avam,
vayam.
ayam.
I am.
Bayam.
So the first person is called as Uttama Purusha. Repeat it.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha. And second person is called Madhyama Purusha. Repeat it.
Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha.
So Madhyama Purusha is you, you both, you all. It means Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Repeat.
Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam.
Bayam.
And third person is the whole world except me and you. Everything which has a name, it will be known as third person. We call it Prathama Purusha. Repeat it, Prathama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
So, if you want to say that I go, simple, I go.
Aham
So, I
gacchami.
is aham.
Aham gacchami.
So, the root word of go is gum. So, when you are using gum as first person singular number, then you have to put the suffix me. So, today we learn the suffixes. Practice with me. Say me, vaha, maha.
Me,
Me,
vaha,
vaha,
maha.
Vaha Maha.
What are those? These are suffixes. So when you are using me with the root word, so that means it is about I. Aham gacchami, aham pathami, aham chalami. Even if you are not using the word aham, still the meaning will be same if the ami is there. So khadami means it's only I eat. It cannot be you eat, he eats, or anyone else eats.
Yeah.
Khadami means only I eat. Even if you are not using the word aham, still the meaning is same. In the same way, vaha. Practice with me. Say khadavaha,
Khadavaha.
Tavaha.
pathavaha,
Tavaha.
chalavaha.
Chalavaha.
Baha.
Take some examples. We both eat. We means avam. How do you?
Avam.
Avam khadava.
Avam.
Avam khadavah. Okay. Then maha. Maha suffix is used for we. Vayam.
Vayam.
Pat pathama. Chal.
Chalamah.
Chalamah. Khad. Khadamah.
Khadamah.
We eat. Vayam khadamah. So now come to the madhyama purusha, second person. So take an example. Tvam. You eat. The root word is khad. So
Tvam khadasi.
Khadasi.
tvam khadasi. Yuvam. You both of you. Yuvam.
Yuvam
Tvam
khadata.
khadatah.
Khadatha. You all. Yuyam.
Yuyam
Yam
khadata.
khadatha.
Khadatha. Pat.
Adatha.
Tvam patasi.
Tvam pathasi.
From Patasi, yeah.
Yuvam. Lik.
Yuvam likhatah.
Likhatha. Yuyam has.
Yuyam
Yuvam
hasatha.
Anti.
Yuyam
Hasatha.
Likatha.
hasatha. Okay. Yuyam hasatha. Good.
Asatha.
So now come to the third person. Third person for everything, every single thing. So like Ramaha, Rama reads. Reads means pat. How to use?
Rama.
Ramaha
Patati.
Adati.
pathati. Two
Khadati.
boys. Balau
Balo
Balo
patataha.
patataha.
patataha. Balaha. Many boys.
Patanti.
Balaha
Padanti.
Pathanti. So just practice with me. Say ti, taha, anti.
Si taha anti.
Anti.
Si, taha, tha.
Si,
Tha.
Mi,
Mi,
ba, ma.
Baha, Maha,
Mi Baha Maha.
Maha.
The other simple way to say Ami, Avaha, Amaha, because in first person you have to add another A in between root and suffix. So just practice say Ami, Avaha, Amaha.
Ami.
Avaha.
Ama.
Okay, so now we'll take some examples. Patadhatu, to read, to study. Can I ask Parthaji to go the Prathama Purush?
Yeah, Patati, Patataha, Patanti.
Okay. Lachmanji, Madhyam Purush.
Patasi, Patatha, Patatha.
Uttama Purush, Arunaji.
Pathami patavaha patamaha.
Okay, this is Padhatu, to drink. Amitji.
Pivati, Pivataha, Pivanti.
Okay. Madhyam Purush, Parthji.
Pivasi, Pivataha, Pivatha.
And Lachmanji, Uttama Purush.
Pivami, Pivava, Pivama.
Pivami, Pivavaha, Pivamaha. Okay. So now come to Bhudhatu. Bhu means to be or to become.
Bhavati
Bhavati bhavataha bhavanti. Bhavasi
Bhavasi,
bhavataha.
Bhavatha, Bhavatha.
Pavasi, Bhavataha, Bhavata.
bhavaha bhavamaha.
Bhavami, Bhavavaha, Bhavamaha.
Bhavi, Bhavaha, Bhavamaha.
Vad means to speak.
Vadati vadataha vadanti. Vadasi
Vadasi,
vadataha
Vadataha,
vadatha.
Vadami,
Vadami
Vadavaha,
Vadamaha.
Okay. So now take some examples and just practice. Kurd. Kurd means to jump.
Aham Kurdati.
Now Kurdami, Kurdavaha, Kurdamaha.
So, okay. So,
Repeat it.
okay. Kurdati, Kurdataha, Kurdanti. No.
So that is third person. Pratham Purush.
Yeah. Kurdami, Kurdabaha, Kurdamaha.
Okay, good. Arunaji, Kup. So Kup will be Kupya. So you will use Madhyama Purusha. Kupyati.
Kupya, you said
Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha.
Yeah.
Tvam kupyasi. Tvam kupyasi. Yuvam kupyathaha. Yuyam kupyatha.
Kupyatha. Okay. Pat means to fall.
Yeah.
Third person means Pratham Purush. Prathama Purusha.
Patami.
Pat.
Pat, okay.
Patati.
Patati, patatha, patanti.
Patanti. Come to the krud dhatu. Krud. Krud means to be mad. Uttam Purush.
Krudhati, krudhami, krudhava, krudhama.
Krudhyami, krudhyavaha, krudhyamaha. Kship. To throw. Pratham Purush.
Dhatu.
Kship.
Ship.
Kship means to throw.
Pratham Purush. Chitati.
Huh?
Chitataha,
Kshipati,
chitanti.
kshipataha, kshipanti.
Chitanti.
Yeah. At. At means to wander. To go here and there. Amitji. Prathama Purush.
Prathama Purush. So, and the dhatu is
At.
atami,
Ah.
atabaha, atamaha.
Atami, atavaha, atamaha. It is Uttama Purush, first person. Okay. Parthaji, Arch Dhatu. You know Arch? Arch
Yeah,
means
yeah.
to worship.
Hmm.
To worship.
Yes.
So,
Archati, archata, archanti.
okay. Archati, Archataha, Archanti. Then Madhyama Purush, Lakshmanji, Khad.
Khadasi, khadatha, khadatha.
Khadasi, Khadatha, Khadatha. Lik Dhatu, Arunaji, Uttam Purush.
Likhami, likhavaha, likhamaha.
Amiji, Ji Dhatu, Pratham Purush.
Ji dhatu, jyoti, jyoti,
Jay-
jyota,
Jayati.
jyanti.
No, Jayati, Jayataha, Jayanti.
Oh, sorry, ji jayati. Okay, jayati, jayataha, jayanti.
So Ji means to win, to conquer. Okay.
Ankar,
Jayati, Jayataha, Jayanti. So Pa Dhatu to drink. So Pa will become Pib. Parthaji.
Feet.
Pib. So you have to use Pibati, Pibataha,
Oh,
Pibanti.
okay. Pivati, pivataha, pivanti, pivashi, pivaha, pivamuhi.
Pibasi, Pibathaha, Pibatha, Pivami, Pivavaha,
Pivavaha,
Pivama.
pivamaha.
Okay. Arunaji, Yach Dhatu to give.
Purush.
Yach Dhatu.
Okay. Yachati, yachataha, yachanti. Yachasi, yachataha, yachata. Yachami, yachavaha, yachamaha.
Okay. Like this is called As Dhatu. As means to be. So mostly in English you use I am, you are, he is, it is, this is. So those is, are, am. If you want to use them in Sanskrit, then you have to use this As Dhatu, as root word. So practice with me. Say Asti, Staha, Santi.
Asti, staha, santi.
Asi, Sthaha, Stha.
Asi,
Asti,
staha,
staha,
Asmi, Swaha, Smaha.
asmi, swaha.
swaha, swama.
So, Uttama Purusha, first person is I, we both, we all. That is Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. I am. How to make in Sanskrit? I am.
Aham asmi.
Aham asmi.
Aham Asmi.
Asmi.
Ahavasmi,
Ahavasmi.
ahavasmi.
We both are.
Ahavasya,
Avam swaha.
Avam Swaha.
Avam swaha.
avanshah,
We all are.
vayam swaha.
Vayam Smaha. Okay? Vayam
Vayam
Smaha.
smaha.
You are.
Yuvam asi.
Asi.
No.
Yuvam
Tvam
Asi.
Asi.
Twamasi.
Twamasi,
You both are.
tavastaha,
Yuvam Sthaha. Okay?
Yuvam
You
stha.
all are.
Yuyam. Stha.
Tha.
yamsta,
Yuvam
Yuyam
stha.
Stha. Okay? Yuyam Stha.
Yuvam stha.
Yuyam Stha. Practice with me. Say,
yuyam
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 Stha.
stha.
Yuyam stha.
Then Asti. The
Saha.
boy is.
Saha asti.
Saha asti.
Balaha. Boy. Boy means Bala. Balaha Asti.
Balaha asti.
balas,
Two boys are.
balo astaha,
Balau staha.
So many.
Balaha santi.
So many
Balaha
boys
santi.
are. Okay. So again practice. Naraha Asti.
Naraha asti.
Narau Staha.
नरौ स्तः
नरान् सन्ति
Naraha santi.
नराः
Santi.
Naraha asti means what?
The man,
Man
Man
is.
is there.
Man are.
The man is. Naraustaha.
Two mans are there.
Two mans are. Many people are there. Naraha.
नराः सन्ति
Santi.
something.
Naraha santi. You are.
स्वम् अस्ति
Something
Tvam
or
Tvam asi.
Tvam asi. You both are.
Yuvam
त्वां
stha.
स्तः
Taha. And you all are.
यूयं
Yuyam
स्तः
stha.
You am sta. I am.
Am asmi.
अहम् अस्मि
We two are.
Avam
त्वां स्वः
asva.
Swaha.
Vam stha.
And we all are.
वयं
Vayam
स्मः
smaha.
Vayam
Vayam smah.
smah.
सः
The girl is a singer.
Girl is
Bala.
Bala, singer.
Gaika. Gaika.
Gaika
Ayaka.
Asti.
Bala Gaika asti.
Bala Gaika asti. You are a man. Lakshmanji, you are a man.
Tvam Naram Nara
Asi.
Asi.
Tvam naraha asi. Okay. Amit ji, I am a teacher. Teacher means shikshakah.
Aham शिक्षकः
Asmi.
अस्ति
Asmi.
अस्मि
Aham shikshakah asmi. Okay. Aruna ji, we all are human beings.
वयं नराः सन्ति
Smaha. Asmi. Swaha.
स्मः
Smaha. Vayam
वयं नराः
naraha
स्मः
smaha. Okay. So today we learn up to fourth case, Yushmat Sabda, including Yushmat Sabda, Asmat Sabda. Also we learn about the Lat Lakar present tense chart of some dhatus, and we little bit practice numbers now. So just practice with me. Say ekam,
Ekam,
dve,
Dve.
त्रीणि,
त्रीणि
चत्वारि,
Chatvare,
पंच,
Pancha,
षट्,
Sha.
सप्त,
Sapta,
अष्ट,
Ashta,
नव,
Nava,
दश,
Dasha,
Dasha.
दश,
Dasha.
नव,
Nava.
अष्ट,
Asta.
सप्त,
Sapta.
षट्,
Sat,
Shat.
पंच,
Pancha,
Pancha.
चत्वारि,
चत्वारि
त्रीणि,
Trini.
द्वे,
Dve.
एकम.
Ekam.
Can you repeat it without looking at the screen? Can you repeat it?
Ekam.
द्वे
Dve.
त्रीणि
Trini.
चत्वारि
चत्वारि
पञ्च
पञ्च
षट्
सप्त,
सप्त
अष्ट,
नव
Dasha,
नव
दश.
दश
So you learned about the numbers. You learned as dhatu. So now make some sentences. There are 5 fruits.
Pancha
Te.
पञ्चफलानि सन्ति
Pancha. Phala.
Lani
पञ्चफलानि सन्ति
Good. Okay. Pancha phalani santi. Lakshmanji, 10 people. There are 10 people.
Dasha Nara
Janaha
Jana
santi.
Santi.
Santi. Okay. Parthaji, we are 5.
Avam,
Avam.
Vayam.
Vayam, Pancha, Naro asti,
Panchasmaha.
Panchasmaha, okay.
Panchasma.
So in Mahabharata, Pandavas are 5. So they used to say, we are 5. Vayam pancha smaha. Okay.
Oh, Panchasmaha.
We are 7 friends.
आवाम
वयं वयं
वयं
वयं
सप्त
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 मित्रं
मित्राः
No.
स्मः
Okay, so mitra shabda is a very unique word. Mitra means friend, but this word is used as a neutral word like phalam.
मित्राणि
Phalam phale phalani, mitram mitre mitrani. So vayam
वयं
sapta
सप्त मित्राणि
mitrani smaha.
स्मः
Smaha. Okay, so please practice all this.
Thank you.